He keeps crying. There's no way to make him stop. We've tried everything, even the best funny faces. But he won't stop crying. Guys, what if we try with a sound book? This is a book to learn the sounds of farm animals. Look, here are some cows, and when we press the button, we hear them moo. Oh, there's Mr. Rooster. Yes, good morning to you two. It's the goats' turn. They're so funny. Wow, what a bleeding. And last but not least, the pig. Get ready. We have gotten the baby to stop crying. And now he won't stop laughing. What is Spooky doing? What a weird mirror! It's got a bad and angry button and a good and happy button. And now what? It's a magic mirror! Oh, I really like the flowers. What a great day to take care of the environment, as always. What's the mirror doing there? Kids, I don't think it's... Of course, girls and boys! What happens with this magic mirror is that if we press the green button, a kind and good version comes out. But if we press the red one, an evil version comes out. How evil! You're to blame for everything, Dr. Spooky! Easy, kids! We'll help you! What's your plan now? Evil! Super evil! This is not the evil version of Kit. This is the extra super evil version of Kit. Granny, please! We have to do something! Yes, Superzoo team! It's the evil version of Kit! His reflection in the mirror! We must stop the evil Kit and save the real Kit! To the transformation capsules! Caddy! Monkey! evil kid doesn't seem to like Kangu's art at all. I'll admit it's a bit of a bad joke, but it was effective. Art police! You are under arrest for being evil and having lousy taste. Sure, Kid is probably on Spooky's ship, but how can we get up there? You're amazing! Perfect! Yeah! Hey, watch out!
Come here.
Wow! Amazing! Come on, we've got to find Kid. Will he be in here? Sorry to interrupt. We are here to save Kid. Oh, how cute! And remember, we can all have a bad side. The important thing is to cultivate our good deeds, and that way we'll get lots of friends. Hello, Superzoo team! Isn't it too late for video games? Isn't it too late for snacking? Isn't it late for dancing? Finally, someone who looks like they're going to bed. I'm as shocked as you are. They can't hear you, Granny. It's already too late. Granny's right. You have to go to bed. Come on, go to bed. All right, do what you want. Good morning. I said, good morning. Oh, Lord. What? What's going on? Oh, no! Evil Dr. Spooky is filling everything with garbage! Where's the Superzoo team? Ayo! You guys are finally on the move! Thank you! Uh-oh! This is what happens when you don't sleep well! I have no idea what they're doing either, Spooky. This is what happens when you don't sleep well. Spooky is making a huge mess. Is this a joke? Team Superzoo, let's go! Here's Caddy. This is what happens when you don't sleep well. Hello! It's time to save the world! Yeah, this all happened when you were asleep. We had to stop the robot and clean the field. Get your act together, guys. We've got to stop Spooky. Do the transformation capsules. Hello? Let's go! Let's defeat Dr. Spooky once more! Watch out, Catty! Your ninja bomb turned into a hairball! By the skin of your teeth! Your turn, monkey! Today everything goes wrong! Watch out, Granny! Go, Superzoo team! It's taking Granny away! Do something! Oh. How cool! Great! Now let's all show the power of Team Superzoo! Right on target! Bye! You're the best and you're a great team! Go to sleep. And remember, kids, if you don't want your day turned upside down, you've got to get into bed early. Sweet dreams. Wow! This apple looks very tasty, Catty. Catty, you just lost a tooth. You look radiant. Granny, kids, you have to see this! Why are you so happy? It seems that Grandma has something to tell us. Once upon a time, a kid lost a tooth. He carefully hid it under his pillow. Then he slept like a log. While he was sleeping, the tooth fairy took it away and left a gift in its place. Oh, now I understand, Catty. If you leave your tooth under your pillow, the tooth fairy will leave you a gift tonight. This is great! Come on, Catty. Let's find the others and tell them. Look at Catty's tooth. What do you think the tooth fairy will bring her? It's pretty cool, right? Wait, what? Our tooth has been stolen! Oh, of course! This is Dr. Spooky's work! Don't worry, Catty. We'll get what's ours.
Yeah.
Kit, tell us where the tooth is. Come on! There it is! We have to go and retrieve it at Dr. Spooky's base. To the transformation capsules! And here is the Superzoo team. You better give them their tooth back. Now, let's get it back. Stop playing. We want that tooth. Now. Be careful. Oh no! How selfish you are, Spooky! Uh-oh! That tooth really likes to travel. Sorry, Mr. Bird. Sorry, little bees. Oops! Sorry too, dear trees. Sorry, Mr. Mole. Oh, really? This tooth has definitely gone very far. You are so mean, Dr. Spooky. I don't think we can get it back. What? Kangoo has an idea. Good idea, Kangoo. With those magnifying glasses, we will miss a single detail. Full detective look! We will find the tooth. Let's do it! It seems like they haven't seen anything around here. Let's see if Kangoo has had any luck. Oof! Looks like Spooky loves to throw things around. Oh, wait! Maybe that mole knows something about the tooth. Hey, Mr. Mole! Make it easy for us! It seems that someone has gone to the dentist. Thank you, Mr. Mole. That's right, Catty. For the Tooth Fairy to bring you a gift, you have to leave it under the pillow. And now, sweet dreams. Good morning. Catty, look under your pillow. I think someone came tonight. Oh, there it is. Hey, the Tooth Fairy came. Superzoo team always wins.